Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network and app freshness. This avoids chasing phantom bugs. First, check Wi-Fi or mobile data and disable airplane mode if enabled. Next, open the Galaxy Store or Play Store and apply any available YouTube updates. Once done, force close YouTube and reboot the tablet to clear temporary glitches. This flushes corrupted cache and frees RAM. If playback still fails, proceed to clear the app cache and storage. Those are the immediate, high-impact fixes that often restore normal behavior. Now you dig deeper to isolate the problem. In Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow YouTube, clear cache, and if needed, clear app data. This resets corrupt local files while preserving your Google account unless you remove it. Then check for Android or Samsung firmware updates because OS bugs can break media playback. Once updated, open YouTube in incognito or another user profile to see if the issue is account-specific. If video works there, sign out and back in or remove, and re-add your Google account to resolve authentication glitches. Finally, reinstalling usually fixes persistent app problems. Uninstall YouTube, reboot, and reinstall from a trusted store. If the latest update itself causes trouble, consider sideloading a slightly older stable APK from a reputable source, but be cautious about permissions. Only perform a factory reset after backing up photos and documents. That clears deep system corruption. If problems persist, test other media apps to determine if the issue is system-wide, and record any error messages or codes. Those details make
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.